The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Craig County in northeast Oklahoma, northern Creek County in northeast Oklahoma, Mays County in northeast Oklahoma, southeastern Osage County in northeast Oklahoma, Pawnee County in northeast Oklahoma, Rodgers County in northeast Oklahoma, Tulsa County in northeast Oklahoma, northwestern Wagner County in northeast Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeast Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tulsa to Tulsa to 6 miles northwest of Sapulpa to Right, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Tulsa International Airport, Owasso, Ulanga, Tulsa, Rodgers, Catoosa, Claremore, Boyle, Bushy Head, Chelsea, Kiowa, Jenks Riverside Airport, Kellyville, Sapulpa, Jenks, Broken Arrow, Adair, Kiefer, Big Cabin, Pryor, Inola, Glenpool, Shodo, Pensacola, Snowdale State Park, Strang, Cherokee State Park, Oneida, Bixby, Langley, and Ketchum. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 200 and 278. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Take cover now. Go to a designed shelter such as a safe room or storm cellar if available. Otherwise, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If seeking shelter in a basement, be sure to get beneath something sturdy. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado warning remains in effect for northwestern Wagner, central Tulsa, southwestern Rodgers, and southeastern Osage counties until 6:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Creek County in northeast Oklahoma, southwestern Mays County in northeast Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Osage County in northeast Oklahoma, southern Rodgers County in northeast Oklahoma, central Tulsa County in northeast Oklahoma, northern Wagner County in northeast Oklahoma, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed extremely dangerous tornado was located near Tulsa and moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Catoosa, Rodgers, Oneida, and Inola. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 214 and 243. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover in a basement or storm shelter now.